Hello guys, Gopi here. Today I have come up with some questions based on number series. So these are the memory based questions which are asked in SBE PO Prelims 2021. I don't know from which slot they have taken this, but let's enter into the question and we'll try to find out the logics behind this question. So just watch out these questions carefully. At last I will give you the tips and suggestions about how to do number series in a much faster way. So the first question is 6, 7, 16, 15 and 208. So I can get 7 by multiplying 1 plus 1. So 7 2s are 14, 14 it is 2 plus 2. So it is 48 plus 3 into 3 plus 3. So the logic is working here perfectly. So the next one has to be 5 plus 5. So 208 into 5 it is 1040 plus 5 1045. So the answer for this question is 1045. So the second question is 10, 20, 60, 300 question mark 23,100. It seems like a direct multiplication question, so you can directly multiply 5 question mark and then so you can see that there is no 4 in between, so 2, 3 and 5. So with this I can interpret that these are prime numbers. So as you all know, a prime number is a number where it has only two factors, which is 1 and the number itself. So if you take 5, the factor is 1 as well as 5. Or else you can say a prime number is a number where only its own number can divide the number. So the next prime number is 7. So 300 into 7 it is 2100. So the next prime number after this is 11. So 21 into 11 231. So you could see the condition is satisfied perfectly here. So 7 is the factor over here. So the answer for this question is 2100. You might be tempted to go with 9 as a prime number, but 9 is not a prime number because you could see there are 3 factors here. So obviously 9 is not a prime number. So the answer for this question is 2100. So the next question is 3, 8, 18, 33 and 53. So we could go for the difference here. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. This is a much easier question. So the answer for this question will be 78. This is a direct subtraction kind of question. So the next question is 15, 23, 30, 36, 41 and then question mark. So here you could see the difference is 8, 7, 6, 5. Obviously it has to be 4. So the answer for this question is 45. It is also a much easier question. So the fifth question is 12, 36, 80, 164, 328 and then question mark. So here also we will try to go for the difference first. So the difference here is 24, 44 and 84. So 164. So with this I cannot find any logic here. So what I'll do, I'll go for the difference once more. 20, 40, 80. So with this I can find a connection. So 20 into 2, 40 into 2, 80 into 2 it is 160. So I have to add 160 with 164. The reason is you can see 24 plus 20 it is 44. 44 plus 40 it is 84. So 84 plus 80 164. So if I add these two numbers it is 324. So 324 plus 328 the answer is 652. So at the same time I could find some other logic over here. If I take 24, I can write 24 as 4 into 6, 44 as 4 into 11 and 84 as 4 into 21 and 164 as 4 into 41. You could see there is a difference of 5, 10, 20. So which means obviously the next difference has to be 40 because 5 into 2, 10 into 2, 20 into 2, 40. So 40 plus 41 it is 81. So 4 into 81. 324. If you do, then again you will get the same answer as 328. So but what you have to remember here is this is a prelims level examination, so you have to go for a logic which is much simpler. So you can either go by this way or you can go by this way. You have to choose the logic which provides you solution in a much faster way. And normally when the question is given, first of all you have to go for the few logics, like you have to go for the addition first and then subtraction, then the multiplication part and then the division part. So if nothing is working, then only you have to go for logics like into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 2 and so on. And as well as there are some other logics like plus 1 square, plus 1 cube, into 1 plus 1 square. So those kind of logics will be working after that. So that's all I wanted to say. If you are finding any better logics for this 5 questions, you can drop it in the comment section below, so that next time I can come up with a better number series question. Thank you.